Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Crochet World. This is a very beautiful motif. I have got it from my old cupboard, and this is a 100 years old pattern. And this is many motifs, and I joined it with crochet work, and the motif is also crochet pattern, crochet design, pinwheel design. And here is the border of loop stitch. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful motif. First you make one slip knot, and make 5 foundation chains and join it together with slip stitch. Form a small ring, and now I am making 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet and make 12 more double crochet into this small ring. Complete this round in this way. I have completed my first round. For second round, make 15 chains. Make simple chains. 15 to no sorry you here you make one chain, two chain. Count as a one single crochet, one chain, then one single crochet in the next stitch. This is the second round. One chain, one single crochet in the next stitch. To complete this round in this way. I have completed my second round. For third round, make 15 chains. Now I am going to the next stitch. Going to the next stitch and make one single crochet stitch. Now I am making 15 chains. Then I am going to the next stitch with single crochet stitch. Make one single crochet stitch, and you repeat the same loop stitch pattern in this round. This is a then 15 chains. And you repeat the same pattern in this round. Here I have make total 13 loops in this round. For fourth round, I am going to the loop by using the slip stitch in every stitch of the next 7 stitches. You go to the up of the very first loop stitch. This is a loop and I am going to the top part of this loop, so I am using a slip stitch. Then I am making 3 chain. Count a first DC stitch and make one more DC stitch in the same space, 2 DC stitch, then 1 chain, only 1 chain, and make 2 more DC stitch in the same space or loop, then make 3 chains, and then I am going to the next loop with DC stitch, make 2 DC, 1 chain, 2 more DC in the same loop. You repeat this stitch in this round. For this pattern I am using thick cotton yarn. I have not thin yarn for this pattern, so if you make this pattern then you can use the thin cotton thread and use 1.5 mm crochet hook. And here I have completed my round, and then make 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch, make 5 DC stitch in the space and 3 chain. Then I am going to the next space between DC stitch and make 5 DC stitch. This is a last round of this flower or motif. And you make many motifs, and in the next video I will show you how to join this beautiful motif together. And this is a motif pattern.